Hey guys, today I'm teaching you if Wix is still a smart choice for building a business website in 2025 or if you should finally switch to something else. Wix in 2025 continues to be a reliable option for small business websites thanks to its easy drag and drop builder, hundreds of modern templates, integrated SEO tools, mobile optimization, built-in e-commerce and bookings, and now AI-powered content generation and automation features that help you launch fast without needing the code. And while it's not as customizable as WordPress or as scalable as Shopify for large operations, Wix strikes the right balance of simplicity, speed, and functionality for most local businesses, freelancers, and service providers looking for a professional online presence. That's the full review. Build faster, work smarter, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical tools that help your business grow.